This is a 2008 Acura MDX, a great blend of utility, comfort, and style. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a moonroof, heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, high-intensity headlights, commercial-free satellite radio, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: aluminum wheels, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, steering wheel mounted cruise control, a premium sound system, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, a brake assist system, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and this vehicle has fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This automobile won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.